How to change Facebook video frame or thumbnail in Meta Business Suite. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can change your Facebook video frame or thumbnail in Meta Business Suite. The first step is to wait for the video to be posted. That is, ensure that your video is already posted on your Facebook business page. And how do you post your video? Move on the main screen, move to the create post option and click on it. So on the create post page, you can see the page and ensure that it is the page that is connected to your Meta Business Suite account. And then under media, you can see add photo, add video, etc. Just click on add video. You can decide to upload it from any channels here, and then go ahead and add a text. All right, after adding a text, the next thing that you should do is to schedule your post. Then after doing that, ensure you click on publish to publish your post. Okay, so once your post has been published, the next thing that you have to do is to go ahead and locate the video. Okay, click on the video and then move to the top right corner of the video post where you can see three dots or ellipses as you would call it. Then once you've seen those three dots, click on it and then choose the edit option. Then in the video editing interface, add a title or make any other necessary changes. Then after that, click on video options. Amongst the options, you'll see some options. You'll see a couple of options for selecting a thumbnail. Just go ahead and select a frame for the video, and then you can even decide to upload a custom image. All right, and then once you've done that, save your changes and click save to apply the changes and all of that, and you are good to go. All right, it is very simple. Just go ahead, click on add the video, post the video, locate the video you've posted, click on the three ellipses, and you are good to go. Thanks for watching and have a good day.